Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you a quick and easy tutorial on how to remove all bookmarks from your Google Chrome browser. So, let's get started. Step 1. First things first, make sure to open your Google Chrome browser if it's not already open. Step 2. Next, look towards the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 dots there. Click on them. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Bookmarks and then select Bookmark Manager. This will take you to the Bookmark Manager page where all your bookmarks are neatly organized. Step 3. Now, to delete multiple bookmarks, select one bookmark and then press and hold Ctrl on your keyboard. Continue selecting by clicking on all the bookmarks you want to delete. Once you've got them all selected, click on the Delete button at the top. And just like that, those bookmarks will be deleted. Step 4. Now, to delete all your bookmarks in one go, here's a neat trick. Click on the top bookmark in your list. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While keeping Shift pressed, use the downward arrow on your keyboard to select all the bookmarks. Once all your bookmarks are selected, it's time to say goodbye to them. At the top right corner, you'll see a Delete button. Click on it, and all your bookmarks will be deleted. Congratulations, you've learned how to remove all bookmarks from your Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.